Hi there, friends! I'm Cosima, and I love weekends. Do you love weekends too? Let's clap our hands if we do. Weekends are the best time to play and have fun. What should we do first? I know. Let's go to the playground. Can you swing your arms like you're on a swing? Swing, swing, swing! Whee! Now let's slide down the big slide. Put your hands up high and say, whee! As we slide down together. That was so much fun! Oh, I have my favorite crayons here. Do you like to draw in color? Let's make a beautiful rainbow together. Can you name all the colors with me? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. What a pretty rainbow we made! You know what makes weekends extra special? Spending time with family. Can you give someone you love a big, big hug? Squeeze tight! Family hugs are the best hugs! And look, the sun is shining bright! Let's run and play outside! Can you run in place with me? Run, run, run! Jump, jump, jump! Wow! We had such an amazing weekend adventure together! I can't wait to play with you again! Will you come back and play with me next time? Say yes, Cosima! See you soon, my wonderful friends! Keep playing and having fun!